Okay, we got a PC here. It doesn't turn on. So let's see what we can do. Apparently it was custom built 6 months ago. And the user kicked the power cable on the bottom of the computer. Or kicked some cables and the whole thing just turned off. So I'm just plugging the power. Turning it on. Press the power button. The GPU light just came on and went off. Let me see if there's any power on the USB. Nothing. Plug in a USB flashlight. See if there is power in the system. No, nothing coming on. Press power button again. No, got the power. No, okay. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so if they kick something at the back, could be power, I'm not sure. Power supply, could be the power supply. I want to take out the GPU, it's quite big in here. Okay. There's a bit of a tension. Okay, our GPU is out. What is this? RTX 2070S. It's worth in value in gold at the moment. Power on. So it's got a Kingston SSD and DME. Power on again. Turning on. Okay. Plug in the HDMI. Yeah, I've got the Gigabyte logo. And it's booting Windows. Okay. Ooh, that's a bummer. So what happened to this GPU then? There may be an internal short. We don't care. This will be under warranty, so we'll get them to replace it. Now, just before we do that, we have a shitty, crappy GPU here. Let's see. I want to ward out the GPU. It may not be the GPU. I've got here a, what is this? 2 Gigabyte EAH6970. It's an ATI, okay. Okay, it's completing Windows updates. So it could be a case of GPU or power supply to GPU. GPU gets turned on after. So if there's a short, it's on the motherboard, it's on the GPU. Okay, let's shut the computer down. Alright, shutting down. Power is off. Got power. That's interesting. So they didn't take out this when they built it, because they... That's okay, their one is only 2 bay. My one is 3 bay. It's good, it's come out. Okay, this GPU has no HDMI. Power in. Power button. It's turning on. So that tells us the power supply is good. Great. So that will be the end of this video. Although I haven't got screen yet, but the unit is on, power is on. It has shut down. It's coming up. Okay. Ah, bummer, I didn't connect the full power. Okay. Still nothing on the screen. Alright, still no screen. Got the power, that's fine. This GPU is not the best of GPUs. Okay, let's put there one more time. Okay, power on. power button. There we go. Yep. Okay, this is a clear case. Alright, I'll end the video. Not much else to do here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.